Okay, the purpose of this video is to get you set up on your school Google account. So you'll have a school Gmail. It'll be a guidodebré.com address. You need to use that particular account to access the Google Classroom that we're going to be using for this particular class. I'm using Google Chrome. I'm pretty sure you need to use that. It is possible to run two different browsers at the same time, but I don't think Google Classroom functions on other browsers. I honestly don't know, and I'm not really going to investigate it either. You might have already have set up a Gmail account where you have your personal name attached to Gmail. It'll be your personal name or whatever name you chose at gmail.com. You're going to have to use the one that is at guidodebré.com, and that's the one that's going to be used by this class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign out, and I'm going to do two different things here. But if I go to sign in, I have several different accounts that have been set up, and obviously somebody's been using my laptop at some point. So you could set it up as multiple accounts, but there's actually a slightly better way of doing it. And I'm going to start up this window to show you that. So on this one, I have, if you look up in the top right-hand corner, I've got a separate browser routine for all my school stuff. And if I go to that one, there's my guidodebré.com address. I'm going to show you how to make that happen. So I'm not going to make but if you go up to the very, very top right-hand corner, mine says teacher, yours might say something else. On my other window, if I pull that one up, no, the other one, we'll do it this way then. For my other one that's use more personal stuff, it's got a different username. But if you go and click on that one, I've got several different accounts, and then there's this one here that says Manage People. And if you click on Manage People, it's going to open up a window that allows you to have a brand new account. And this one apparently takes a bit of time. There we go. There's the 3 accounts that I run. I could, near the bottom of that, add a person. And if I go to add a person, I can pick oops, I guess I need to put in a name first. I'll delete this one later, but make it a test person. No idea what that means. And I can have it create a desktop shortcut, so I can always go back to it. And then I don't care about supervising the person. I'm not going to have the desktop, and I'm going to make this one a piece of pizza. And I'm going to save it. And that will now generate a brand new account that has all the different features that I need. Okay, so that's one way to manage multiple accounts. There's other ways of doing it. This is the best way to keep all those bits and pieces separate, because the problem is if you sign into Google under your personal one and then you're trying to access your school stuff, it's doable, but you're always going to run into some problems. Okay, so optional thing, and on my desktop I have one desktop shortcut for my personal one and one desktop shortcut for my school stuff. I'm not sure if I have a desktop for that third one or not. Anyhow, try that out if you want. If you don't like it, then you don't need to use it.